Hi, this is Barbara Bertuzzi in New Orleans now, and I am just so grateful to have been privy to some amazing natural technologies to sleep and cocoon and recuperate all night long. Actually, for the past 30 years. I know I started when I was 12. No, but I think that there's a lot to our sleep system, which has natural energy of the earth, natural energy reflective ceramics that reflect the energy of the sun that we absorb back to ourselves. And I just want to share some of the benefits and my crew here. So I'm going to go to Dee first. Dee, you want to share? And then
Sure.
Lorraine, then
Hi,
Martha,
everyone.
then Dee.
I'm Dee, and I'm outside Chicago. And when I was introduced to Nikon and the technologies about 17 years ago now, um, my friend who introduced me didn't know that I had sleep issues for 15 or 20 years and lots of back issues and stuff from an old car accident. And so I was very anxious to feel better and to sleep better. I was working more than overtime at the time and but was dragging all the time, particularly because it would take me hours to fall asleep almost every night. It would be I'd go to bed maybe 10:30 or 11 and 1 or 2 in the morning I was still awake. And so I had started with the water, the other technology. So I was really well hydrated before my sleep system came a couple of weeks later. I went to bed. I couldn't wait to get it on my bed. Went to bed, fell asleep almost immediately, slept all night, woke up before the alarm went off,
Nice.
which was set for like 6 a.m. to get on the road for work. And I thought, oh my goodness, this is what a good night's sleep feels like. So that has been consistent. Here and there, I'll have a night where, I may not fall asleep right away, that type of thing. But it has made such a difference. And I am so grateful because sleep is so foundational to everything else health wise. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Yes, sleep is vital, and we just don't know what we're preventing, right? Okay, Lorraine.
Okay, yeah, I'm Lorraine. I'm from Canada, British Columbia, and my story about the sleep system, I was introduced to NECAN 25 years ago, and of course I bought everything at the time and developed a wellness home. The sleep system, I just grew into loving it, and one of the main things I really like was the sleep mask. That really helps. And but I think I just take it for granted now that it's important to be cocooned in an environment where your body can recover. And I have certainly benefited from sleeping in the sleep system. And when I travel, I take the whatever I can take with me. And the big thing I really like now is the Makura pillow. I think that Makura pillow has been such an improvement over the other ones. So I really recommend anybody that maybe not need quality sleep to get a sleep system that is cocoon your body and allow it to recover for the next day. And I wake up with no fog, brain fog at all. So I really appreciate my sleep system.
That's awesome. Thank you, Lorraine. Okay, Marcia, and then Gita.
Well, everybody in my family has benefited in some way. I always bumped into things in the middle of the night because I didn't realize till I stopped using it. Somebody had lent it to me that I was brain fogged. The brain fog went away. My husband's creaky knees went away. He's able to get out of bed and walk straight to the bathroom after sleeping with me on the mattress pad for a few days, nights. And the best one is the most recent one, my daughter, who is visiting me now for a while. She wasn't using the technology and she was having lots of trouble sleeping. She had been resistant to using it. And I finally said, look, you've got to try the fit. Let me put it on your bed She said, okay. And she got into bed and she said, Ma, I feel like I'm getting a hug. She said, this feels so calming and so wonderful. And of course, she slept beautifully that night and thereafter. So I
Oh,
just love, love, love this sleep system. It just does wonderful, magical things for everybody and anybody who has anything going on. And even if you think you have nothing going on, like I didn't think I had nothing, I didn't think I had any issues with sleeping when I first tried it, you know, and everything is much, much better because of it.
nice. Nice, nice. Love that. Gita, okay.
Well, good morning. I'm Gita. Currently, I'm in Arizona. I just came back from a 10-day travel along the East Coast. And even though I take some of the technologies with me and the travel um, blanket to sleep with, when we got home last night, it was like, I couldn't wait to get into bed here because this house also is fully mechanized. And that was probably about 10:30. I slept a full 6.5 hours, which I hadn't done here in the last 10 days. And I was able to get up and I thought, okay, time for my walk in the morning. So out I went. So having that restful sleep on the sleep system that we have is phenomenal. I just feel regenerated today because walking around when you're traveling and going places wears you out, but I don't feel like I have that fatigue. I was able to enjoy seeing what was going on around here again and the changes that have been made and the flowers that are blooming. So it's very exciting. The sleep system is something I always look forward to when I get home because I know once I've slept on that, the next day I am back to normal and perfect.
I love that you said, and the next day. So, for any of you guys that work out and are stiff and achy 2 days later, and you're like, oh, where'd that muscle come from? Or where that also is minimized and possibly deleted from your recovery system because you are recovering all night long. So, get with the
Mhm.
person that invited you to check out this video because you never know if there's a special, a discount, or such going on, and find out more about this amazing technology bringing nature's energies into your home. Thanks so much.